Now we are going to see the exercise number 3.1. Find the locus of a point which is equidistant from 1, 3 and x-axis. Okay, so now how we are drawing this diagram? We are just drawing the graph like this, and they have given 1, 3. Okay, so 1, 3 we are drawing. Find the locus of a point which is equidistant from 1, 3 and x-axis. So this is the x-axis and this is the point, that is P of x1, y1. So now we are going to find out the locus of the point. Shall we write the solution? Let A 1, 3 be the fixed point. Okay, so what they have given, just we are writing. Next, what they have given, P of A is equal to, that is P of A is equal to y1. Okay, so P of A is equal to, just we are assuming it as y1. Next, what we are doing, P A square is equal to y1 the square. Okay, so y1 the square. Next, I am going to write down the equation. So here x1 is there. So x1 minus 1 the whole square. x1 minus 1 the whole square plus here y1 minus 3 the whole square. y1 minus 3 the whole square is equal to y1 square. So now we are going to expand with the a minus b the whole square formula. This also a minus b the whole square formula. So x1 square plus 1 square minus 2x1. Then here what will come? y1 square plus 9 minus then 2 into then y1 into 3 will be coming. Okay, equal to y1 square. Next I am going to simplify. x1 square plus 1 minus 2x1 plus y1 square plus 9 minus 6y1 is equal to y1 square. Next you see here x1 square, here y1 square is there. Okay, we will just start to write x1 square plus y1 square. Next minus 2x1 then minus 6y1. Okay, so next what will come here? Here plus 1 is there. Here plus 1 and here plus 9 equal to y1 square. Next you take this y1 square this side. Then x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 then minus 6y1 plus 10 minus y1 the square equal to 0. Okay, next what we have to do? We have to do the cancellation. So here plus y1 square minus y1 square, you just do the cancellation. So what is the answer we'll be getting? x1 square minus 2x1 minus 6y1 plus 10 equal to 0. So now we have to write it. Therefore, the locus of x1 comma y1 is, you have to remove this x1 and y1, you have to remove it and simply write x square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 equal to 0. So this is the equation. Okay, so this is how you have to do this sum. Okay, now we will do the second sum. What is the second sum here? They have given a point moves so that it is always at a distance of 4 units from point 3 comma minus 2 they have given. So we are 3 comma minus 2 will be coming in this quadrant. So fourth quadrant it will come. So 3 comma minus 2 we are just marking. Okay, just simply we are marking. Next this is the 4 units we are writing. Now we are going to do the sum. Solution. Let P of x1, y1 be any point on the locus and a of 3 comma minus 2 be the fixed point. Okay, so this is how what they have given, just we are rewriting like this. Okay, let P of x1, y1 be any point on the locus and a of 3 comma minus 2 be the fixed point. Next we are writing as a P of A. Okay, P of A is equal to what we are writing? P A is equal to 4 they have given. Next we have to square on both sides. So P A square is equal to 4 square. Then what we have to do, as usual, first sum we did know, here x1 is there, here 3 is there. So what we have to do, x1 minus 3 the whole square, then plus y minus 2 is here. Okay, so minus 2 the whole square is equal to 4 square. Next you start to expand using the formula a minus b the whole square formula. So x1 square plus 9 minus 2 into x1 into 3. Then plus here what is the answer will come, y plus 2 the whole square is equal to 16 will come. So that implies x1 square plus 9 minus 6x1, then plus y square plus 2 square, then what will come here, plus 2 into y into 2 is equal to 16. So that implies x1 square plus 9 minus 6x1 plus y square plus 4 plus 4y is equal to 16. Then you take this 16 this side. So what will come, x1 square plus 9 minus 6x1 plus y square plus 4 plus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. Now you just take the x1 square first. Okay, next what will come here, y1 square will come. So y1 square. Okay, so plus y1 square. Next what will come, minus 6x1. Next minus 6x1 plus 4y1. Next you have to write on the constant term, plus 9 plus 4 minus 16 equal to 0. We have to write it. Next what is the answer we will be getting here, 9 plus 4, what is the answer here, 13. Here minus 16. Therefore, x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 plus 4y1 plus 13 minus 16 equal to 0. So that implies x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 plus 4y1 minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, the locus of the point is, the locus of the point is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. So this is the equation.